want us all to do is enable something called Unity Collaborate. And what Unity Collaborate allows you to do is, just like its name implies, collaborate with other people who aren't necessarily using your computer. Most game design happens in teams, so people might be working on the same game from different computers, and Unity Collaborate is a sort of built-in set of tools to make that easier. So what we're going to do right now is enable that. I know that most of you are working by yourself, but the reason that I want everybody to enable Unity Collaborate on their projects is that it'll make it easier for me to help you when you're having troubleshooting issues, or if I need to debug something. So when you have your project open, you're going to go to the window menu and then choose Collaborate. Over here in the area where the inspector is, a new tab is going to pop up and it's going to say Collaborate. It won't be activated because we have to set a project ID first. So I'm going to click on this button, and it's going to bring up my project settings window, particularly the Collaborate tab. So I have to select an organization to use, and your organization should just be whatever your Unity login has been so far. So djackson Unity is mine. Yours is going to be whatever you set your Unity login to be. So I'm going to choose that, and then I'm going to click Create Project ID. That's going to do a couple of things. Great. Oh, also, this is really important. If it says update Unity Collaborate, or if it asks you if you want to update, do not update Unity Collaborate because it'll break your game. Did that a few times this morning. It was not fun. Okay. So once I click that, all I have to do is then your screen should look like this: Collaborate, create together seamlessly. I'm going to click this button, which is not super intuitive, but if I click that button, it will turn Unity Collaborate on. It's going to set up some stuff in the cloud because Unity Collaborate makes it so that all of your files end up on the cloud. So my current version is 1.5.7. I do not want to install the latest version. Do not install the latest version. And then that should all be set, so I can close this panel. The next thing I have to do, well, you'll notice a couple of things happened. This Collaborate tab, instead of saying that it can't be used, it's going to show me all of my files that are part of my game. And you'll notice that all of my assets now have a little plus next to them. And that is because these files need to be sent up to the cloud so that other people can access to them to edit them. So I'm going to click Publish. And this Publish button is different from actually making your executable game file. This Publish button just means that it's taking everything that you've worked on your computer and putting it up in the cloud so that other people can access it. So I'm going to click Publish, and it's going to upload all of my files. And then you'll see that the plus signs disappeared from my folders and things, because now the most recent version of all of my assets is up in the cloud so that my collaborators can access it. If I make a change to this scene, for instance, if I add a cube and then I save this, you'll see that a little icon appeared here to indicate that this scene has been edited and it's different from the scene that's in the cloud. So if I click Publish again, it'll upload it to the cloud so that everyone can access the most recent version of that scene that I've been editing. Once you have Unity Collaborate set up, if you look at your Collaborate tab next to the inspector and you click these three dots, a little thing will come up that says Invite Teammate. Click on that, and it should take you here. It might ask you to log in. So I'm already logged in to my Unity dashboard. If it asks you to log in, that's fine. Go ahead and log in, and then go back to Unity and click Add Teammate again. And it should bring you to this page, Project Members, for the project that you just put in Unity Collaborate. So I put Demo Day Game Project in Unity Collaborate. So now I have a list of project members. So I want everybody to do this thing that I'm about to do. Literally, type my email, which is djackson@calarts.edu, it's not my Mission Bit email, unfortunately. My Unity Teams email is my CalArts email. So djackson@calarts.edu is my email, and then click add. If you don't have your demo day project set up yet, don't worry about that. Don't worry about doing this now. You can do this later. I just want to make sure that, let's say by Friday, everybody has Unity Collab set up and they've added me as a team member. And so once I'm added as a team member, I should be able to see your project from my computer and all of your scripts, etc. So that is the basics of what I want you guys to do. And it's going to make it just easier for me to help everyone, really. If you want to know more about Unity Collaborate, there is a long section in the Unity documentation about all of the aspects and how you do it. So hopefully this video is going to have all of the steps. But if you're more comfortable reading text, you can always read through the Unity Collaborate section in the manual.